So hi you guys, your girl Shakita here. So welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be creating this smoky eye look. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Bye. So hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we already did the eyebrows off camera and we primed our eyes. So today we're gonna be using the James Charles palette. I only used her one time so far. As you see, she got a little makeup on her, but that's okay. We're going to be using the James Charles palette today. I'm going for a blue smoky look, I believe. And you haven't seen the palette. Here she is. She's so pretty. As you can see, they're brand new. I haven't really used it, but like one shades of browns and light browns and stuff like that. So we're going to go in with this color first. I'm sorry I don't know the names of them. I lost a little plastic thing. We're going to put that right into our crease area, as always. And as you know, I like to warm my color up before I go straight in with it. I'm going to do the same exact thing to your other eye. I like to do my eyes at the same exact time. It's better for me because I lack good memory. So do what's best for you, but I like to do my eyes at the same exact time. So it's up to you how many shades you want to use. I usually use like 2 or 3 shades. So I'm gonna go with that next shade. And we're gonna go right in with it. Wait, this brush is too big. I always forget that this brush is too big to be doing all that. So we're using 2 palettes today, y'all. We're using the Morphe 39 Dance Create 39A palette, and we also using the James Charles palette. I know I was trying to do 1 palette today, but the 39A palette has better natural shades to me. So I'm going to take my first brush and go back in with that first shade because I don't like to lose it. Don't forget, once you do it to one eye, you have to do it to the other. So we're going to go on our third and final shade before we transition to our black shade. You can go in with liner with your black shade, but I like to go in with powder. Also, with the third shade, we can actually use the James Charles palette. Let's go with a dark brown. He doesn't really have a dark brown. So we're gonna go with this brown shade right here. I have no idea what happened to the thing to this one either. We'll figure it out. You want your third shade to really focus on the outside of your corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like it already. So once we do our transition shades, now we can go in with that black shade. So what I normally do, I just take any type of brush. I try to avoid white brushes and trying to what this brush will do. So I think the black is called Spooky, I believe. It's like the only color I remember because I love black. My eye. Then I just start adding it to my lid. And I like to put it a little bit. I have put a little, so I like to bring it above. So once we get both your eyes prepped with the black, we're gonna take our favorite blending brush. Y'all already know my favorite. So we finished with our eyes. We all blended out. I had a little bit of eyeliner on my eyes, but I don't need that because my eyes are black. So we're going to put on some lashes now. These are the lashes I got from Amazon. They are called Magnifie. This is the box that it came in. It actually comes with 2 of these, so you get 10 lashes for like $12.99. And for order from Amazon, I might link in it below. But yeah, I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I think I'm going to use the 3rd row. I actually have these lashes already. I ran out. I still even have the little case to them. I think I'm going with these lashes. They're a little bit too big for my eyes, so I'm going to be cutting them down. So as you can see, we already put our lashes on. So now we're going to go in with our e.l.f. hydrating primer, and we're going to prime my face. This is my favorite primer. I have dry skin, so it works fantastically. I'm just going to run all that into our skin. once that's done, I like to go with my no more no more no problem primer, smooth pore covering. It's called Touch of Soul. I got this in my BoxyCharm box. I think last month's box. I believe last month's box. So I'm gonna put that over my face too. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So I went ahead and blended that color corrector out, and I also added the LA Pro concealer in the color FAWN up as well. So now we're gonna go right in with our foundation. As you know, this is the CoverGirl True Matte Made Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I love it so much. I usually have to buy it off Amazon because I can't find my shade anywhere. I'm in the shade D30. It's my perfect match. Here. Thank you, baby. And I can't find this shade anywhere, so I bought some on Amazon. So as you can see, we already blending our foundation now. Boom, boom, boom. So now we're gonna go with these two concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer in color Dark 48. Sorry, Dark 48. And this is the Maybelline Instant Rewind in the color Honey Mail. So I'll go in with the ColourPop foundation first. If you haven't tried the ColourPop concealer, you're missing out because it is absolutely bomb. And it's inexpensive too. I think this concealer is like $6 a piece. And the eyebrow pencil I use, I think it's $5. But you can purchase the eyebrow pencil with the pomade for $20. But I never get that because I don't really care for pomade. I have the Anastasia Baby Heels pomade, and I wanted that so bad, y'all. I got it, paid all that money for it. Y'all know that pomade $18 by itself, and the pencil's like $12. And I only used it like one time. Like, it's still like brand new. I don't understand it, and we don't understand each other. Not like pencils better. Like, to each his own. I guess I need to learn how to work it better, but I like it better. So this is how I highlight my face. So now we're gonna go in my black Radiance palette, contour palette, in the colors medium to deep. If I turn around, medium to dark. I'm sorry. And I always go in with this shade, the darkest shade, as you can see. I'm gonna use this flat brush to contour with. So once we are contoured, in that bag, we're gonna blend out our concealer now. You're gonna take your damp beauty blender, or you could take the disposable blenders. I use these on my clients, but I don't like them. So as you can see, we blended all that contour out. This is how it should look. Pretty, right? Yeah. So now we're gonna go with our black opal powder. This is in the color Natural Light. This is my second time using it. I do like it. This is recommended me for gifts from my makeup class, from my makeup teacher. If you guys don't know, I took an advanced makeup class like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think it's going on 3 weeks. Like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I got the products she told me to get so I can start doing clients. So we're going to set that powder everywhere that we highlighted and concealed. You don't have to use a bunch because it's only a little bit on this top. But I do like the powder though. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be so scared to use new products. But I want to because I use the same stuff all the time. But I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I'm really anxious to start using like new products and stuff. To test them out to see if I like them or not. I want to know like what shade I'm in all things, not just one thing. I really don't need to chisel my cheek out, but I like to. So once I set my face how I conceal, I like to go all on my face. Especially around my mouth, because I tend to crease up around my mouth a lot. Especially when it's time for me to put on my lipstick. So we're going to let that sit for a while. So as you can see, we already lined our lips up with the ColourPop pencil in the color Rare. So now we're going to take this lipstick in the color Glossy Fawn. I got this from Marshall. You can never have enough new lipsticks. Auntie just bought me a new lipstick palette from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to take this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Peanut Brittle, and I'm going to put that on top. If I can get her opened. So we're done with our lips. We done with everything, y'all. So now we gotta do is highlights. All we gotta do is highlight. I think I'm gonna go with this highlighter I got from my this highlighter right here. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's like she's subtle. Subtle. But loud at the same time, because I want like a soft highlight. I don't want it to be too over the top right now. So once I found my highlighting brush, I'm like all over the place. I've been trying to get prepared before I come on here, but it don't never work. So last but not least, we're gonna add our Black Radiance setting spray. And this is in the one matte. They have different shades. This is the matte one.